Oh my gosh, don't click on the sound. Don't check the sound. Oh my gosh. Sign up! Nobody cares about the sound. Oh my gosh, I hate these stupid videos every single other day. I keep seeing these stupid videos and people are falling for them. Don't click the sound unless you want to be traumatized, but then it's just girls dancing. And the same thing goes for those videos that are like, this video is 3 seconds long. Nobody cares. Oh, and don't even get me started on the videos that are like, oh, don't put this video at 2 times speed. And the comment section is, oh, I checked it. It's actually 3 seconds long. I clicked the sound. It's so crazy. I've always been wondering, how do people actually find these videos amusing? What is going on in your head? You know what, guys? Click the sound on this video, because whenever you interact with this video, it gives me money, guys. And I'm not actually making some stuff up, and I'm being truthful to you guys, so you better do it right now.